So hey, what's up guys? So I know I haven't been on here in a while with a makeup look, but I'm back, okay? And I am collabing with Black Barbie. Here's her Instagram and here's her YouTube. Go subscribe to her. She does good makeup. Like, look at that, look at that. Like, awesome makeup. She does everything, girl. Look at that hair. I like her hair. Okay, so go and subscribe to her. And yeah, this is the Area 51 look. Did I already say that? I don't know, but listen, it's Area 51 look, because you know we gotta hop on that trend. This is how we're gonna storm into Area 51. Just kidding. Not going there. No, I'm not gonna get hurt. So, if you like this makeup look, then continue watching to see what it is. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is using my NYX Got You coverage in the shade medium and putting that all over my lid as a primer. So I'm going to be using my Profusion palette. I'm going to be using that color. I'm just putting that all over, just like I would use as a set-in powder, as people say. So I put that on both of my eyes. And then the next color I use is a light colored brown. And I put that like kind of like above the crease and inside the crease. I'm going to be using my Henna Bitty Regold Master Palette. I'm going to be using the only black shade in there. So I'm putting that on my inner corner, outer corner, in the crease. It's kind of like a smoky eye. I just ignored the green because I did the green first, which I should not have done the green first. So I just went over it with the black. So I'm going to be using that concealer with my small shader brush and cutting the crease in the middle a little bit higher than my crease. And then I'm using the Color Workshop palette, the Hues one, light color green in the middle where the concealer is. Okay, so that's me just putting on some NYX matte black eyeliner, and I didn't put on there thick or little. And life hack, if you ever make it too high, just cover it up with the eyeshadow color, because that's what I had to do on my other eye. So yeah. I'm about to put on concealer, mascara, and also for my inner corner, you know, I like doing inner corners. Okay, I'm gonna take this Amazon glitter. I done a review. I'll leave a link down in the description. And I'm gonna take this green glitter and I'm gonna put it boom, boom, right there. So let's see me work my magic. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I like it. I just like that glitter right there. This Christmas I'm gonna be getting some makeup glitter and stuff. So if you see a bunch of glittery looks for me, then that's why. But I like it. Before this video ends, go check out Black Barbie's Instagram and YouTube, because she does makeup really good and she did this look really awesome too. And also I have not one, but two other channels, our channel and gaming channel. So check that out for me. And yeah, like and subscribe and peace.